Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the 3D assets, and scene-so simulation behaves predictably. Load the anatomical models and a particle or fluid emitter for the medicine. This makes collision and flow realistic. Once done, set the unit scale to real-world measurements and align origins to the body center so physics accurately maps to size. Make sure materials are assigned. Translucent vessels and viscous tissue parameters will inform shading and interaction. Now position the emitter at the injection or entry point and lock camera for animation previews. You now run the core simulation to show how the medicine travels and interacts. Select an appropriate solver like SBH for droplets or grid solvers for bulk flow, then set viscosity and density to match the drug medium. That influences spread and speed. Bake a short cache first to preview motion, then refine with higher resolution. Also add colliders for organ surfaces with realistic thickness, and animate active elements, valves, or muscles, so flow responds to motion. Once stable, export a high-quality cache for rendering. You finish by rendering and compositing the animation to communicate the process clearly. Render separate passes, beauty, volume, particles, and ambient occlusion, so you can tweak intensity and clarity in compositing. Then add depth of field and motion blur to direct attention, and overlay simple labels or arrows tied to timeline markers. If artifacts appear, rebake at higher resolution or increase solver substeps. If medicine leaks or clips, reduce emitter rate or tweak collider thickness. Finally, export master and a compressed deliverable for review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.